I want to tell you guys a little bit about my background. About a year ago, I was working at a call center. I was getting paid $10 an hour, a little bit over minimum wage, and I ended up taking maternity leave because I was pregnant. Now my daughter's 1 year. During that time, I came across an opportunity where I found out how to make $5,000 to $10,000 weekly. Here's a little proof that I took out. I took out over a little $12,000. It's all real and all true. If you guys would like information on this opportunity, make sure you like my video, share my video, and then comment info. If you do not follow those 3 simple rules, I will not reply to you because I don't have time to waste. So like my video, share my video, and then comment info. And I will talk to you then.